Hello, welcome back to the Tarot Gateway series. This is video 2, and we're going to be talking all about keywords, how to choose them, and how to create your study deck using keywords. If you haven't seen video 1, it's talking all about how to choose your first study deck. So if you don't have a study deck for your tarot, go back and watch video 1 and then meet me here and let's talk about keywords. When I had started learning tarot, what I found was it was absolutely impossible to try to memorize all of the meanings of the cards. Even if I tried to memorize, which meanings would I choose? I felt so overwhelmed. Every tarot book was a little bit different. Every meaning was a little bit different, and I had so much trouble even getting started. So one of the things that I did was label my decks with keywords. I had already been reading Oracle to my community with keywords on the Oracle cards, and it was a method that was really familiar to me. Labeling my cards with keywords and reading based on those keywords, everything changed. So in this video, we're going to talk about what keywords to use, how to find your keywords, and 3 things to consider while choosing your keywords. One of the things that I loved about reading with keywords is it helped me get out of my own way. I feel like when I was first trying to learn and I was reading the different books and I was getting confused and I was feeling overwhelmed, I was very much in that sort of thinking mode, in the figuring it out mode. And that left very little space for presence and intuition to flow through. But when I worked with one keyword on each card, I was then able to start to build a story with the keywords. I was also able to start to understand different cards and all of the multifaceted meanings for each card. Through practice and reading with my keywords, I was able to step back and let my intuition take over. So, the first question everybody asks is, okay, but where do I find my keywords? There's a few places where you can find keywords. One place that you can find keywords is in the decks that you already own. So some decks actually have keywords in their guidebooks. Sometimes I love their keywords, sometimes I don't, but a lot of decks do actually have keywords in their guidebooks. Another place is the High Priestess Tarot School. In the High Priestess Tarot School, I have a module that is all 78 card meanings. In this module, I talk about how to create your study deck, and I give you all of the keywords for every single one of the cards. Here's the major arcana, the minor arcana, and the court card keywords. So I actually, in these videos, talk a lot about each card. I talk about what that card means to me. I talk about my primary keyword, and I also talk about some other keywords that you may resonate with or like, some other really good keywords that I see for each card. I'm going to be gifting you a tarot keywords cheat sheet. So if you look in the description above this video, you will find a link for this tarot keywords cheat sheet. This contains my primary keywords and some keywords that I feel are really good for each and every card. There's a couple ways that I teach in the High Priestess Tarot School portal in terms of labeling your cards. Number 1 is you can just write directly on your card with a Sharpie. Some people write a couple of different keywords that they like with a Sharpie on their card. Some people write one keyword very small in the border of the card, while others like to put a little bit of washi tape on their card, write on the washi tape, and then it can be easily peeled off later when you feel like you don't want those keywords on your card anymore. However, I have multiple decks that I have labeled with keywords. I use them at events. I love to use them, and I feel like my clients love to see the keywords and connect with those keywords just as much as I have. 3 things to consider when choosing your keywords are, is the keyword open-ended? Is it empowering? And can it be applied to each situation? Don't forget to download the free keyword guide, and I will see you in the next video, which is all about building confidence in your intuition with tarot. See you in the next one.